If you've been thinking of starting your YouTube channel, this is your sign. If you're feeling discouraged by the number of views and subscribers that you have, this is your sign. If you're about to quit YouTube for life, this is your sign. Many people say YouTube is oversaturated, but I don't believe that. There's this particular phenomenon in tech called next billion users, and I think it applies to every space in life. But we're going to use YouTube as a context here. Do you know that there are millions, if not billions, of people that are yet to even create YouTube channels and come on YouTube? So that basically means that there are millions, if not billions, of people that are yet to find your channel, fall in love with your channel, fall in love with you, and join your community. But if you don't ever join YouTube, or if you decide to quit now and just forget about YouTube, then how is that going to happen? I heard this saying somewhere and I strongly believe it. They say that when you want something badly enough, it means that your future self already has it. So if you do not go after your dreams, if you do not start YouTube channel, basically you're depriving your future self from already having it. If you've been listening to 99 million reasons why you should not start YouTube, why YouTube is oversaturated, why there's no whatever, let this be your one reason why you should start YouTube. A long time ago, YouTube used to feel very unaccessible. It felt like the only people that could make it, or the only people that could survive on YouTube, are maybe all those viral cat videos, or celebrities, or people with an already established presence or brand. And that's not the case anymore because YouTube is becoming more accessible, especially to new and young and upcoming YouTubers. You don't need a ton of money to start. You don't need fancy equipment. I'm literally filming this video on my phone. All you actually need is passion, strategy, and patience because YouTube is definitely a long-term game. Why am I specifically addressing young and broke people? I say I'm addressing young and broke people like myself because I feel like we have major two key components that would allow us to build a successful YouTube channel. First of all, we're young. Basically, that means we have time. You don't want to create a YouTube channel and think that, okay, this YouTube channel does not work out in a month from now, it doesn't work out in 3 months from now, it doesn't work out in 6 months from now, you're literally going to die or you're not going to do anything again. We have time. I've been on YouTube for close to, I think, 10 months now. I've not been monetized. I'm not even anywhere close to hitting my monetization threshold, but I have time because I am young. Like, I literally listened to a particular YouTuber saying that she started her YouTube channel 2 years ago because she was like, okay, when she starts, at least she would have had like 2 years of experience, like 2 years of filming, 2 years of hitting milestones. And I just feel like that's so interesting. When you want to start YouTube, think of it as, okay, you're starting and knowing that, okay, it's not for now, it's not for your current self, it's for your future self. And because you are young, you are able to expend that time. And the second thing I said is broke because let's not lie, being broke inspires creativity. Like, I remember at my brokest, that's when I am literally at my most creative. I'm so energetic and literally fighting for my life. So I feel like when you're broke, you have the passion, you have the zeal to actually commit to something and be creative. Another thing I want to discuss is that I feel like a lot of us kind of put ourselves in a box, or we just make so much assumptions that are wrong. I remember starting out, right? Like, I was like, oh, like, I mean, I think I'm doing pretty okay for myself, but I don't think I'm there. And I was like, oh, I want to talk about money because I like talking about money, but like, I'm not someone that has so much money. So it felt like a little bit of imposter syndrome because it felt like, oh, why are you talking about this when you don't even have so much of this? Well, I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to share my experience from where I currently am. And that's something I want to pass on to you guys. If you're a broke, struggling student, start sharing your experience. If it is talking about things you're trying to do to make money, you'd find people that relate to that. If you are someone that is trying to survive on 1,000 naira per day, talk about that. You find someone that relates to that. Build your community from where you are. If you're someone that, like, okay, right now I'm trying to find different ways to make money online, trying to find apps, investments that can allow my money work for me, that's where I currently am, and that's who I'm making content for. I'm making content for people that are currently where I am, and I'm also making aspirational content for where I plan to be. So, like, it's just very interesting, and I just think it's important for you to know that you don't have to be someone you're not. Just literally start from where you are. If you're someone that you're let's say you're on your fitness journey, you're trying to lose weight, and like, oh, I'm not all those like really good looking weight people. Start from where you are. Show us the process of you trying to lose weight. Like, You would be surprised how many people relate to the current struggles that you're facing. So that's it about starting a YouTube channel. If you don't have any idea what to start, literally just document your journey. Today, if you're going to buy food at a cheap place, document that journey. And it doesn't even have to be YouTube alone. I would say it is different social media platforms. There's this thing that is happening now where all social media platforms are being monetized. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. I'm even sure that in the coming years, WhatsApp may even be monetized, and that would be so crazy. But you need to make sure that you are on the right path, on the right call of people that are going to survive this new wave of, or this era of digitalization that is so crazy. Anyway, I think I'm just going to wrap this video up. I just wanted to make this video because it's something that came to my mind and I just want to share. I feel like a lot of us, we talk ourselves out of doing so many things, but this year, I'm not even going to lie, this year was the year that I was able to face my fears. I posted my first YouTube video. I've grown my community to 800 subscribers. I remember I was literally on this chair here when I was asking people to subscribe so that I can reach my first 100. And then, until you start something, you cannot even tell how far you can go. It's when you're currently in something that you even get more ideas, you get more inspiration, you grow. But if you never start and you just continue to romanticize the idea of starting in your head, then you're literally not going to go very far. Anyway, that's it from me. I thought I'll share. My name is Adura. If you're watching my video for the first time, this is not exactly what I do. I talk about money a lot, like I said, but please subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment for me. Tell me what your thoughts are. Tell me what is actually stopping you from starting a YouTube channel or having a content creation side hustle. And I'll see if I can help with responses. And if you just want to say hi to me in the comment section. Leave an emoji for me and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.